What is change detection in Angular, and how does OnPush improve performance? Every time something changes in your Angular application, whether a user clicks a button, an HTTP response arrives, or a timer fires, Angular needs to decide which parts of the UI need to be updated. The mechanism that handles this decision is called change detection, and understanding it deeply is what separates Angular developers who build fast applications from those who build slow ones. By default, Angular uses the default change detection strategy, which runs a check across every single component in the entire component tree whenever any asynchronous event occurs. Angular uses zone.js to intercept all browser events, set timeout calls, and HTTP responses, and trigger change detection automatically after each one. This means every click, every keystroke, and every resolved promise causes Angular to walk through your entire component tree, checking whether any data has changed and whether any view needs to be updated. For small applications, this is perfectly fine. But as your application grows to hundreds of components, this global checking becomes expensive. A single user clicking a button could cause hundreds of components to be unnecessarily checked, even if their data has not changed at all. The OnPush change detection strategy solves this by telling Angular to check a component only under specific conditions. A component using OnPush will only be checked when one of its input properties receives a new object reference, when an event originates from within the component itself, or when you manually trigger change detection using the change detector ref service. This means if you pass the same object reference to an OnPush component, even after mutating its properties, Angular will not update the view. You must pass a new object reference for the change to be detected. This is why OnPush works perfectly with immutable data patterns and the RxJS async pipe, which automatically handles subscriptions and triggers change detection when new values arrive. Using OnPush throughout your application combined with immutable data structures can reduce the number of change detection checks, dramatically making your Angular application significantly faster and more responsive, especially on lower-end devices and mobile browsers. Follow DevVerseX for more daily interview questions to level up your career.